Hi, I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm the Clinical Director at PCMH Restore Health, Bangalore, and the Founder Director of Aviksha, a home-based primary care at PCMH Restore Health. My expertise is in HIV, palliative care, and the elderly care. So, a safe sex means that you test yourself regularly for any sexually transmitted infections and use proper protection, that is, use a condom while having sex, because it is very important to follow these two things, the testing and the protection, to keep yourself and your partner safe. In today's world, people do have an open relationship or have more than one partner. It is important to follow these steps and get yourself tested regularly with your infectious disease specialist or your treating physician, and check early detection of a STI so that early treatment is initiated and you live better and your partner is safe and you are safe.